Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 4, English version, Math, Exercise 7.4. It's about multiples and factors. Math number 10. We arrange rectangular tiles 5 cm long and 7 cm wide like the figure. This is the figure. On the right, to make the smallest square possible, how many centimeter are the sides of the smallest square we can make? We have to arrange these tiles one after another and make a square. And we know a square in a square, length equals to width. It is same. So we have to find the length of the square. For example, if this is the square, each side has to be equal in length, and that should be multiples of 7 and multiples of 5. So what is that number? That is multiple of 7 and multiple of 5. We call that common multiple. And how do we find that? We already know multiple of 5 and multiples of 7. What are the multiples of 5? 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 2, 10, 5 into 3, 15, 5 into 4, 20, 5 into 5, 25, 5 into 6, 30, 5 into 7, 35, 5 into 8, 40. Now multiples of 7. 7 into 1, 7, 7 into 2, 14, 7 into 3, 21, 7 into 4, 28, 7 into 5, 35, 7 into 6, 42, 7 into 7, 49. Okay. We must remember, we have to get the smallest square. We have to get the smallest square possible. That means to get the smallest square, we need to get the least common multiple. If we look at the multiples here, which are common? Which are common here? 5 not common, 10 not common. The common we mean on both lists. 15 is not common, 20 no, 25 no, 30 no, 35 yes, 35 is common. 35 is common. And we need to go further because we have to get the least common multiple, and 35 is the least common multiple here. So we already got the answer. So therefore, the length, what are the sides of the smallest square? The length of the side of the smallest square is, since we know the least common multiple is 35, we have to say this LCM is 35. Therefore, the length of the side of the smallest square is 35 centimeter. Thank you, everyone. If you have any question, please write it in the comment box. Thank you.